Welcome to the Payment Guide YouTube channel. If you want to make international wire payment through BPER Banca Italy, you should know that you can't get anywhere without a valid SWIFT code. In today's video, I talk about the exact step-by-step process to get the correct SWIFT code for the BPER Banca Italy in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch this video all the way until the end without skipping any part, so you don't miss out on the key bank details you'll need later. Before we start the process, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon, that you'll never miss out on our latest informative videos and updates. A link has been provided in the description box. By clicking the link, you will come to this page. Here you can see 4 boxes. The first box is to select the country. In this, we will select the country Italy. The second box is for the bank. We will select the BPER Banca. Now, the third box is enabled. In the third box, we select the city. In this box, you can see a list of the cities of Italy. We select the city of Modena. The fourth box is for the SWIFT code. As we click the SWIFT code, the whole information about the SWIFT code will be provided. Friends, here you can see the SWIFT code. And again, in the key information, the SWIFT code has been given. Here is the copying option to copy the SWIFT code. The bank name has been given and the bank address has been also given. So this is the method by which you can get the SWIFT code of BPER Banca Italy. See you in another video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the latest informative videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.